National Science Day is celebrated in India on 28th February each year to mark the discovery of the Raman effect by Indian scientist Sir Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman on 28th February 1928. For this discovery, Sir Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. In 1986, the National Council for Science and Technology Communication asked the Government of India to celebrate February 28 as National Science Day. The event is now celebrated all over India in schools, colleges, universities, and other academic, scientific, technical, medical, and research institutions. On the occasion of first National Science Day, the National Council of Science and Technology Communication announced the institution of National Science Popularization Awards for recognizing outstanding efforts in the area of science communication and popularization. The first National Science Day was celebrated on 28th February 1987. To encourage our women scientists, the theme of National Science Day 2020 is chosen as Women in Science.
Sir Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman was born at Tiruchirappalli in southern India on November 7, 1888. His father was a lecturer in mathematics and physics, so that from the first he was immersed in an academic atmosphere. He entered Presidency College, Madras in 1902 and in 1904 passed his BA examination, winning the first place and the gold medal in physics. In 1907 he gained his MA degree, obtaining the highest distinctions, and started research work in student life. Since at that time a scientific career did not appear to present the best possibilities, Raman joined to Indian Finance Department in 1907. He got the opportunities. In 1917, he was offered a newly endowed Palit Chair of Physics at Calcutta University and accepted it. During this period in Calcutta, he carried out his research, the Raman effect. After 15 years at Calcutta, he became professor at the Indian Institute of Science at Bangalore, and since 1948, he is director of the Raman Institute of Research at Bangalore, established and endowed by himself. He also founded the Indian Journal of Physics in 1926, of which he is the editor. His other interests have been the optics of colloids, electrical and magnetic anisotropy, and the physiology of human vision. Raman has been honored with a large number of honorary doctorates and membership of scientific societies. He was elected a Fellow of the Royal Society early in his career and was knighted in 1929. His works earned him the 1930 Nobel Prize in Physics and was the first Indian or Asian person to receive a Nobel Prize in any branch of science. He died on 21 November 1970 at the age of 82.
In 1928, Sir C.V. Raman discovered that monochromatic light is scattered when allowed to pass through a substance. The scattered light contains some additional frequencies other than the incident frequency. This is known as Raman effect. Now, what is scattering? All of us, knowingly or unknowingly, are very much familiar with different natural phenomena caused by scattering of sunlight by different particles present in atmosphere. Different gas molecules, especially nitrogen, oxygen, scatters the blue light of sun ray, for which we see the blue color of sky. Water droplet present in the cloud, comparatively larger in size, can scatter all wavelength or 7 colors of sunlight. Hence, the cloud is white. The red color during the dusk and the dawn is example of scattering of sunlight. When a sample is irradiated with monochromatic light, most of the light is transmitted out. Small portion of light is scattered. The electrons in matter has different vibrational energy levels. When monochromatic light is incident on matter, electrons absorb energy and goes high to a virtual energy state. Then the electron falls back by losing energy. If the electron comes back to its initial position, the scattered light will have the same frequency to that of the incident light. This is called Rayleigh scattering. Here the red arrow mentions the Rayleigh scattering. Only 1% light has frequency other than the incident light, and it occurs when electron falls back to different vibrational level than its initial position. This is the basic of Raman scattering. If the frequency of the scattered photon is less than the incident photon, it is called Stokes line, which means energy is absorbed by electron, and if it is higher than the incident photon, it is called anti-Stokes line. This means energy is released by the electron. Here the green line and the purple line mentions the Stokes line and anti-Stokes line respectively. This series of lines in the scattering of light by atoms and molecules is called Raman spectrum. This line appears as peak in Raman spectroscopy.
Raman spectra gives the molecular fingerprint which enable to classify them according to their molecular structure. In industry, it is applied to study the properties of material. It is widely used in almost all branches of science. So, to commemorate the discovery by C.V. Raman, National Science Day is celebrated each year on 28 February. It is celebrated not only to spread a message about the importance of science in our daily life, but to display all the activities, efforts and achievements in their field. It is celebrated to encourage the people as well as popularize science in our country.
Hi, I'm Sneha Mojumdar, 4th Sem, Women's College, Calcutta. Here I delivered the introductory part.
I am Mohikantika Sinha, 2nd Sem, Women's College, Calcutta. Here I describe the biography part.
Hello, I am Shauli Chakraborty, 4th Sem, Women's College, Calcutta. Here I am trying to explain Raman's effect in short.
I am Joy Dash, 2nd Sem from Women's College, Calcutta. Here I have concluded this whole program.